So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to connect MySQL database to C# project. So let's start. Sample. So hit OK. So there you go. First we're going to drop a button that will show if our database is already connected. So let me make a test. Then we're going to add a class. So we're going to name it as connect to database. So our class is already created. So before that, we're going to put a reference that will allow us to connect from our program to the database. So start. So we're going to install this one. Going to install it. Install. So we need this one to connect to our MySQL database. So I accept. And it already added to our reference. So start. Using MySQL data national client, and then so we already import our MySQL data. So let's create public MySQL connection. MySQL connection. So here it is. First, we're going to put our server and our database. Our UID and our password. There we go. So let's find it at we already have our database that we will use for this tutorial. So we're going to use testdb. I already created a while ago. This is a database, testdb. So start. First we're going to put our server and then our database, which is testdb, the UID, which is the root, and our password. So it's already complete. Now going to put this one, constraint. So we have an error. Forgot to put one. So goes. First thing is copy this one in here. Now we're going to create a open and close connection. we're going to create a con open. Con dot open. There we go. I forgot to put void, then public void con close. Go. So here it is. Now we go to our design. First, we need to import our MySQL package, and then we're going to initialize our class. We're going to name it as connect. So this is the name of our class that we created a while ago. You can see it here. This. So let us test if it is work or not. Okay, let's try. This is the button. First, we're going to connect the con open. So this connect is this one. So the con open is from our class, which is this con open is from our class. So this is it. There. Now we're going to connect and close. So this con close is also from our class, which is here. So let's go to the codes. So if this one works, we're going to display message box that shows connected. If it is not, we're going to display message box that shows not connected. Okay, so let's start. Press this button. As you can see, the message box is connected. So let's try different password. So it's not connected. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. Have a good day.